Let's do a real-world test of the Tide Go sticks. So these are sticks that are designed to remove a stain from fabric without you having to actually wash the fabric, which when I first heard about it, I didn't even really believe that that was possible. But let's go ahead and give it a try. So I've got this piece of fabric here that we've got a little tomato sauce stain, something you can definitely get on fabric, especially if you have kids and they're eating noodles and that kind of thing. So we're just gonna open up this Tide stick, and you can see the stick itself there. It's almost like a little pen. And then we're just gonna go ahead and press, and that's gonna release some of the stain fighting solution on that. And then let's just rub that into the stain. So we wanna keep pressing, rubbing that in. Takes a little time to do this. And you're just sort of trying to lift it out using that pen part on here itself. Okay, so it's got some of the liquid still on there, but let's take a look. I think it's much better. It's maybe not 100% removed it. There's still some down here, maybe a little residue, but given where we were when we started in terms of having a full-on tomato sauce stain all over this area, I think that's pretty good. And then it's sort of pre-treated and ready to go in the wash, but that's much less visible. Like if you imagine you were out at a meeting or something and you spilled this on yourself and you had to go back to the office for the rest of the day, you can see it's drying pretty quickly. Definitely does a good job of getting that basic stain out. And probably for something that's not as intense as tomato sauce on a light fabric, it might do even better. The one thing to keep in mind though, it doesn't work on things like grease or ink. It's only for like food. So they say it works well on coffee, tea, wine, spaghetti sauce like we just did, barbecue sauce, that kind of thing, but not stuff like ink. So if you get like, spill a pen, some kind of ink, or your kid draws on you with a permanent marker or whatever, it's probably not gonna work for that. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that that's removed a lot of that stain very quickly in about, probably 45 seconds.